The Ninja R-CFP300 Coffee Maker offers a versatile brewing experience with 9 different brew sizes and 4 carafe options, accommodating both grounds and pods for personalized servings. This coffee maker is designed for efficiency, providing faster pod brewing compared to leading competitors, making it perfect for busy mornings. With 4 brew styles including classic, rich, over ice, and specialty, the machine caters to a wide range of coffee preferences and even offers a water option for tea. The built-in fold-away frother enhances your coffee creations by transforming milk or milk alternatives into silky smooth froth, elevating your home coffee experience. A removable 60-ounce water reservoir can be positioned on the side or rear of the machine, offering flexibility and convenience in refilling and placement. The Ninja R-CFP300 is equipped with an easy cleaning function, dishwasher-safe parts, and a removable pot adapter, simplifying the maintenance process for users.